7, 6 of 21. What do we have? Oh, yes. OPNT. $13. We got in at 14.50. Yes, we did. And the stock is trading at 21.96. Well, we could just give you the high 24.21 right now. They will pull back, my friends. This is what we call a breakout. And we feature breakout alerts because we feel that the best thing that we can do to empower your trading, empower your success, is to do what other people can't do. And that is get that breakout. And we did. We just had featured it over here in that 60-minute bar. Went straight right up. Oh, yeah. So, just to let you know, on the volume side, it's 641,000 shares at the moment. And all of them pump up and then they drop and they will pull back. I will set an alert right here, everyone, for that alert. And then when they do pull back, they will pull back because this is the pump and this is when you take profits. Let that be known on this day because then you have to execute. And on the alerts program, you're going to do exactly that. Go ahead, sign up, take the right step, enjoy the trades, enjoy who we are, develop that relationship. That relationship is what we are blessed with. That is our blessing, is that relationship that we get to have. Now, let's go ahead and move forward.